What is AI and can machines make ethical decisions? Alan Turing first posed the question, can machines think, in the year 1950? Now the answer seems to be moving towards yes. AI is supposed to have a profound impact on our lives and it's everywhere. So what do we mean by AI? AI is the ability of a man-made thing to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Some of the benefits of AI include replacing repetitive tasks or task automation to increase productivity. And some of the challenges associated with AI are the question of privacy, future of jobs, safety, trust, responsibility, and increasing inequality. A recent study by PwC identified autonomous vehicles as a leader in AI by 2025. Hence, we can assume autonomous vehicles will represent the first robots to be integrated into our lives at scale and set the tone for other robotics in society. What are the benefits of autonomous driving? Autonomous vehicles will make driving easier, meaning that everyone, including people with disability, will have equal access to transportation. It will allow people to be more productive and to perform tasks other than driving, for example, reading a book, checking emails on their phone or laptops. It has been estimated that over 90% of the accidents that happen on the road are the fault of drivers. Therefore, we can assume that autonomous vehicles will also reduce the number of overall accidents. What about some of the risks associated with autonomous driving? It is relatively straightforward to program autonomous vehicles in accordance with certain rules. Do not cross boundaries or do not collide with pedestrians, for example. What about end-of-life scenarios or dilemma situations where not all rules can be followed and some kind of decision has to be made in accordance with ethical principles? How should we weigh the many competing values in autonomous vehicle design, and who should answer these questions? Engineers, drivers, lawmakers, or ethicists? Considering the risk associated with a fully autonomous machine that is faster and smarter than any human being, it should not come as a surprise the requirement for a set of principles to govern its utility. In the past, our strategy to stay ahead was to learn from our mistakes, discover the fire, then the fire extinguisher, invent the atomic bomb, then have the MPT. It was a reactive as opposed to the proactive approach. My research will focus specifically on the ethical challenges that may arise as a result of AV emerging technologies, when we have fully autonomous cars that will not require an input from a driver, or when no driver is ever needed. So can machines make ethical decisions? I'm afraid we might have to wait a little longer to know the answer to that question for sure. Thank you.